calcium buildup on my refrigerator tray. Let's see if this mouthwash will do the trick, cleaning this up. It does have some hydrogen peroxide in it. I'll just pour some in the tray and wait 20 minutes to help loosen up the calcium. I have my man-made here to do the work. We came back later and used a butter knife with a nice rounded edge to scrape the crust off. Well, after getting into those nooks and crannies, I think it looks a lot better. Thanks for watching and good luck on your kitchen cleaning adventures.